Hey everybody, welcome to the Healthy Eats Good Life channel. Practitioners of Eastern medicine have touted hot water for providing many health benefits. Hot water is a simple, natural means to help us maintain good health. When water is boiled, we ensure any germs and bacteria are destroyed and the water is clean for consumption. Health practitioners advise this should be consumed first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. Some people include a squeeze of lemon juice or a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, while yet others still advise hot water should be consumed at least 3 times a day. If you are interested in trying out hot water therapy, be careful not to consume water that's too hot, as it may burn your taste buds, tongue, internal body tissue, and scald your tongue. In this video, we will explore 10 benefits of drinking hot water. Number 1, promotes weight loss. Studies have found that drinking water before meals increases metabolism. Drinking hot water increases metabolism and helps in easy digestion of food. This leads to weight loss. Drinking hot water helps to break down body fat. Drinking hot water helps to curb hunger, as it tends to make you feel full. This could be a useful strategy for those following an intermittent fasting diet. Hot water should be drunk first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. Remember that water has 0 calories, so we can drink as much of it as we want to. Drinking warm water helps us avoid the additional calories from adding sugar, cream, or sweeteners to teas, juices, and coffee, or even delaying this for later on during the day. This can be beneficial for those who want to lose weight. Drinking water also helps to prevent water retention, which is important for those who want to lose weight and for our overall health and well-being. Number 2, it helps relieve constipation. When there is little or no bowel movement, constipation occurs. The main cause of constipation is dehydration. Starting each day by drinking a cup of warm or hot water on an empty stomach helps to stimulate a bowel movement. This helps to get things moving through your digestive system. When you drink hot water, the bowels contract, therefore making it easier to have a bowel movement. When we clean our digestive system, this increases feelings of hunger and gives us an appetite to enjoy our meals. Warm water may also relieve stomach aches. 3. Decreases stress levels. Generally speaking, drinking hot drinks like tea or coffee can help to make us feel more relaxed. Drinking hot water provides the same benefits. Taking a warm bath helps to reduce tension and stress because it reduces the secretion of cortisol, the main stress hormone. It helps to relax our muscles and reduces anxiety. Sipping warm water after dinner can help to induce sleep and enables you to have a sound sleep because it relaxes the muscles, nerves, and reduces stress. It also keeps you feeling full and prevents night cravings. Number 4, clear stuffy nose. If you are looking for a natural cure to clear sinuses or a stuffy nose, try drinking a cup of hot water. Our bodies produce a lot of mucus daily, and this can make you feel congested. The steam from hot water can unclog sinuses and loosen up congestion. Facial steaming with hot water can also provide the same decongestion and relaxing benefits. Try adding a few drops of your favorite essential oil to the steamer for added benefits. Dental health. Warm water is better for teeth than cold water. Some white fillings contract when in contact with cold water, and this could cause them to debond from the tooth. It's also important to note that water that's too hot is not good for our dental health either. Extreme temperatures can be damaging to our teeth. People with sensitive teeth tend to find warm water more pleasant and comfortable to drink than cold water. Another reason to drink warm water is to prevent bad breath and dental problems. Number 6, helps to clear toxins. Drinking a cup of hot water increases the core body temperature and triggers your endocrine system. This stimulates stress sweating and helps the body to release toxins through the skin. Water is important for the kidney and liver function of clearing waste products from our bodies. Drinking hot water helps to prevent bloating and clear the intestines. It also flushes out waste. Drinking warm water helps to relieve hangovers by its detoxifying effect. Consumption of alcohol leads to dehydration, so increasing your water consumption can reduce this and relieve headaches. When our bodies are free from toxins and well hydrated, we have a clear and glowing skin. This slows down the aging process and boosts skin elasticity and repair. Water is also beneficial to having healthy hair. 7. Aids digestion. Water is a lubricant for the digestive system and helps to absorb nutrients. Drinking warm water at the start of the day is beneficial. Hot water dilates the blood vessels in the stomach, which aids with digestion. This helps break down food and eases the digestive process. Drinking hot water after meals emulsifies or loosens up fat, which helps with digestion. After consuming a large meal, drinking a cup of hot water helps to relieve bloating and aids digestion. Warm water helps dilute the gastric juices in the stomach, and this can help to relieve pain for those who suffer from gastritis. Tip number 8, improve circulation. Dehydration leads to low blood volume and low blood pressure. When we drink water, we improve this. In some cases, drinking hot water improves blood circulation through veins and arteries. Efficient blood circulation is beneficial for improved blood pressure and to help deliver oxygen and nutrients throughout the body. A healthy blood pressure reduces the risk of cardiovascular disease. Taking a warm bath also helps to increase our blood circulation. Number 9, improves concentration. Drinking hot water helps relieve brain fog, which is a side effect of dehydration. It gives more clarity and focus. 10. Relieving and preventing headaches. Some headaches are caused by dehydration. When we drink water, we rehydrate ourselves and prevent such headaches. Some people find that drinking water helps to relieve their headaches as well. 11. Helps to prevent formation of kidney stones. Drinking water on an empty stomach and regularly during the day can help to prevent the formation of kidney stones. 12. Soothes sore throat. The pain of a sore throat can be nagging. A good, simple home remedy to cure a sore throat is gargling warm water mixed with a teaspoon of salt 3 times a day. This helps to relieve respiratory illnesses and reduce the buildup of phlegm. It can help heal throat infections. 13. Relieve menstrual cramps. Drinking warm water may help reduce menstrual cramps by relaxing the muscles in the uterus. Hot water bottles also provide relief from menstrual cramps when placed on the abdomen for a few minutes. So thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any more videos about health and wellness, simple healthy recipes for weight loss, mental health and so much more. Take care.